Hello everyone, my name is Payal Jindal. I am team associate with Complere Infosystem. Today I am going to discuss about Snowflake CICD process using GitHub. So guys, let's start the topic. CICD means continuous integration and continuous development. So let's see how we can implement Snowflake CI/CD process. So first of all, for this, we make sure that we have a GitHub connection with us, and also we have Snowflake connection with us. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, we will have to create one repository in our GitHub. So I'm going to create one repository here, like Snowflake CICD process. I'm creating this repository. You can make your repository either public or private. Fine. Just click on create repository. So your empty repository will got created on GitHub. Then you have to make this connection in your local. How you can create? Just make one folder here, okay, with Snowflake CICD process. You can name it anything, okay. So I have Tortoise Git installed in my system. First of all, we will initialize the Git repository here. What will Git initialization do? It will maintain headers and footers, like what is the header part and what is the footer parts, from where we have to proceed further, from where we have to take a pull, and from where we have to do the push. It will basically like maintain the address. How we can initialize Git init? Fine. This will initialize empty repository in my folder. Okay. Then go to your repository in GitHub. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make your workflow. How you can prepare your workflow? Go to Actions, set up a workflow yourself. Click on this. Okay. This will give some sample YML to you. Okay. I will show you the YML file and I will use that sample file. So this is my YML file. Okay, I will copy this content and paste it down here. Fine. Let me explain you. This is the name. Showcase CICD Snowflake. When your actions run now, this name will show up there in the action that this showcase CICD Snowflake process is running. If you will not provide the name, it will just show you build, only build, not any name. Okay. Then this is on where you want to push. This is where you want to push branch. You have to provide either it can be main, master or anything. Okay. Then you have to provide the path where you want to push your scripts. So let me copy this somewhere. Okay. Suppose I'm here. Okay, as this is empty repository, so there is right now there is no branch as well as no path. Okay, so I'm going to create one like push branches main. I will create main branch there. Also will provide paths DB script. It means in go to the DB script, inside of the DB script and find all the script inside the DB script. Fine. Then this is the job name you have to write. You can also leave this name as empty. Okay. Then where you want to run your script on Ubuntu server, because it will always run on Ubuntu server. Okay. Then this is the steps. Name checkout repository. This is not mandatory, but this part is mandatory. Uses where you want to store your repository contents. action slash checkout at the rate v2. All your checkouts will get saved here. Okay. Then what type of language you want to use? I want to use Python version 2.2.21. Okay. With will use this version 3.8.x. X mean any of the version 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I am using run schema change. From here I am running schema change. What will schema change will do? Schema change will maintain one history table with the name change history table in your database. Okay. This will record the history like what which file got run last time, what is the name of that file and the highest version of that file. Okay, this is how you can pass your environment. Okay, I hope number of people are aware of this, like the we have to pass environment like this way. Then this is the setting of the environment variables. Uh, After this YML setup, I will let you know from where these values got initiated here. Okay, then we have to run our this schema change process. First of all, echo is just like your print statement. This will echo your GitHub workspace. $GitHub workspace will provide you the path from where your scripts are going to be fetched. Then we are like printing our Python version, which version this YML is using. Then again I am echoing installing schema change. How we can use install schema change? Pip, by using pip install simply schema change. Okay, then after once we install the schema change, we will use schema change command for our CICD process. First of all, what we will do, we will provide this script to the path, like go to this path. Then we will provide the account name, all the necessary details which is mandatory to connect with the Snowflake, like your account, your username, your role, your warehouse, then database. This is the change script command. This will save your change script table in go to this will go to the database. Then it will create schema change schema. Under schema change, it will create change history table. Fine. So this is the basic structure of the YML file. So I'm providing Snowflake CICD.yml start commit heading YML. Okay, fine. This will save my workflow under .github workflow folder. Okay, if I will go to this repository, you can see now I have one folder here .github/workflows. Under this I have one YML file which I created recently. Okay, so now you know right now I just use one environment variables here. So I have to use those environment. Okay, and how we can set those environment. Okay, so go to your settings. You have secrets here. Go to here, click on actions, then add your all the environments here. New repository content secret, sorry. Add your secret name, the same as you provided in your YML file. Okay, underscore account, provide the account name value here, and then click on add secret. So you have to provide some value here. Okay, I will use my previous secret process where I already added some of the secrets. New repository, go to new repository secret, then add sf url. Okay, url will be your this path. Then you can provide username and password. Like this, you can provide all the secrets here. Okay, I will provide you the list of secrets which you have to set. Settings, secrets, actions. So this is the list of secrets you have to provide. Account, database, password, role, which role you are using, schema where you want to create your database, where you want to run your script, then Snowflake URL, then your username and your warehouse, which warehouse you are using. Okay. So this is the basic setting. Now the question is how you can do the CICD process through GitHub. Okay. First of all, once you created your YML, make sure your YML got successfully run. Okay. If there is any error in your YML, your scripts are not going to be deployed automatically. Okay. So like you can see here, I have some error in my cicd.yml. How you can see, go to this YML. Okay, click on this build, go to run schema change. Here you will get the error. What type of error you are getting? Invalid root folder. Okay, so this is the error I got. That's why my YML got failed. After fixing this path, you can see your YML got fixed. Okay, so how you can see your YML is sometimes suppose you did some changes in your YML file. Okay, but sometimes those changes are not getting visible here. So click on this, you can see your YML is not getting updated here. Okay. So that may be the reason like you are like continue keep on changing your YML, but again and again you are getting same error. So that's the reason your YML is not getting updated in your actions folder. Okay. Once your YML file got successfully processed, you can push your scripts in your folder, mentioned folder. You can provide any name here, db scripts folder. I have this file. So for a file name, you have to follow some structures. Okay, like your first name will be capital and it will start from V. Then it will version will be like 1.1.1 underscore underscore double underscore you have to provide. Then after that you can provide any name you want. Okay, if your file name will not follow the version, your CICD process will not take up this file. Okay, suppose you provide small v and you provide version as 1.1, it will not getting process your CICD process. Okay, to make your process to run, you have to keep v in caps and then 1.1.1. Okay, going here my Snowflake. So I use this database Snowflake CICD showcase. Okay, under this I have public schema and schema change. In change history table, you can see version 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3 and 1.1.4 got implemented. And their script names are here and this is the header. Okay, execution time it's saying and the status, whether it got success or got failed. Fine. Then how your actions will run this process. Suppose your script is already there in v1.1.4. Suppose you added you did some changes here itself. in your v1.1.4. Okay, suppose I'm doing some changes. As this is the insertion, I'm going to add some another name, Ankit. Okay, fine. I will push this. Now you can see this script got updated. How you can see this process will take place or not? Go to the actions. This script is running. Okay, click on this. You can see I just have to record Payal and Nikunja. Okay, why the third record is not getting inserted? This one, which I added recently, Ankit Jindal. Okay, why? Because this change schema will fetch the maximum version. Okay, from here, if you go to your change history table, your maximum version is 1.1.4. So this action will look for another version. Okay, 1.1.5. It will not going to process your previous version. Fine. If you are going to do any changes in your previous versions file like 1, 2, 3, and 4, then these scripts are not going to be processed. If you want your data to be processed, you have to create new file. Copy your file, paste. Now you can see my new script got added here. Okay. Now we will see whether our new record got inserted or not. So if you go to your schema change now, you can see max applied change script version is 1.1.4. Which script it's going to applying the changes on? Script number is v1.1.5, and now it is saying successfully applied one change script, and this process is keeping above 4 scripts. Okay, now go to your fidelity users, data preview. I think I have to query this. Now you can see your another records got updated here. So that's it.